How to fix you can only add 3 hashtag on your caption on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the issue where Instagram only lets you add 3 hashtags to your caption. If Instagram is blocking you from using multiple hashtags, just follow along step by step. We're going to fix it together. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the 3 lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap Help. Then select Report a Problem and again tap Report Problem without shaking. Choose Include and Continue. Now you'll see a box where you can explain the issue. Go ahead and type something like this. Hi Instagram support team. I cannot add multiple hashtags to my Instagram captions. My account keeps telling me I can only add 3 hashtags. Please fix this issue as soon as possible. Once you're done, go ahead and send that report to Instagram. Alright, now let's move on to the next step. Find the Instagram app on your phone. Tap and hold the app icon until a small menu pops up, then tap the Info button. In the app info page, select Force Stop and confirm it by taping OK. Next, go to Storage, and here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, then tap OK to confirm. This will remove all the temporary files that could be causing the issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or posts. It just resets the app's temporary files. If you're using an iPhone, you won't see a Clear Cache option. Instead, just offload the Instagram app and then reinstall it. This works the same way. Once that's done, head back to your home screen. Open the Google Play Store and search for the Instagram app. Tap the search bar at the top and type Instagram. When the Instagram app appears, check if there's an update button. If an update is available, go ahead and update the app completely. Updating makes sure you're using the latest version with any bug fixes included. After the update is finished, return to your home screen again. If you've tried all the steps above and the error still shows up, don't worry. There's one more fix. Simply uninstall the Instagram app, then reinstall it from the Play Store. A fresh installation usually clears out any remaining issues. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be able to fix the problem where Instagram only allows you to add 3 hashtags to your caption. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this.